Hey, I'm Russ Sadikoff.
And I'm Ronnie Coe.
Today, we're at our newest listing, 1505 Glencrest Drive in San Jose.
This home is situated on a corner lot in the gorgeous Cambrian neighborhood and just steps away from the award-winning Reed Elementary School.
Come on in with us and check the property out.
Thank you for touring with us today.
As you've seen, this home has plenty of living space with its 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, attached 2-car garage including a Tesla charger, plus plenty of space in the driveway for your boat and RV parking.
You'll be able to enjoy the beautiful California weather in your own backyard with a large pool, barbecue area, and gardening corner.
If you have any questions about this property, would like to schedule a private tour, contact us today.
We'll see you soon.